Now that we understand something about the process of investigating both contingent truth and ideal truth, we can use this knowledge to better our process of planning. Why is it important to investigate both types of truth? If we only investigate contingent truth, we will know where we are, but that alone does not indicate in what direction we should go. We will be like Alice in Wonderland. When she came to a fork in the road, she asked, "Which one should I take?" And the reply was, "Where are you going?" When she said, "I don't know," she was told, "If you don't know where you are going, any road will do." In the same way, if we only investigate ideal truth, we know where we want to go, but we have no idea of how to get there. We may blindly follow the route someone else has taken, without taking into account that our situation is different. However, if we have identified both contingent truth and ideal truth, then it is much easier for us to trace a path from one to the other, and we can define actions that lead towards transformation. What role do principles play in this process? First of all, the principles go into the vision. We base the vision that we formulate on principles in order for it to lead to sustainable transformation. But principles also play a role in the actions to be taken. We base the actions that we take in order to advance toward our vision on principles, since it is important that the means used be coherent with the desired result. So, what would be the process for planning? First, we need to investigate the facts in order to determine the contingent truth, or, in more conventional terms, make a diagnosis of the situation. Then, we need to identify principles related to the situation and incorporate them into a vision, defining our ideal truth. Third, we brainstorm how to move from the contingent truth to the ideal truth, taking into account principled actions. And finally, using open and respectful consultation, we reach a consensus on a plan for action. A very simple example could be a group which is trying to decide on a time to meet. First, they would investigate the facts. Presently, some members don't come to the meetings because they have a conflict with other activities. Then, they would identify principles and incorporate them into a vision. The principle could be universal participation, and the vision that all members come to the meetings. Then they would brainstorm, asking, what are the days and hours that each member is available to meet, suggesting different alternatives. Finally, they would reach a consensus, agreeing on the best meeting time. Or, if there is no time at which everyone can meet, they could possibly decide to alternate meeting times to give everyone a possibility to attend. Obviously, this is a very simple example, but the same process can be used with complex problems. Using this process, we can see how the investigation of contingent and ideal truth contribute to social transformation through identifying the steps that lead from the present situation towards a principle-based vision.